Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the valve on the toilet. If you have a look here, they're all different, but this one has a valve like so, and then the ball's down there. I've emptied this one. What you need to do is shut off the water supply to this. There'll be a valve somewhere in the house that you can turn off the water from. Once the water stops flowing from there, you can then start work. This one was dripping, so obviously the valve has gone, the rubber diaphragm. Some valves allow you to replace just the rubber, others you have to replace the whole part. Now this one we have to replace the stem as well, which goes down to the bottom of the cistern. So if we have a look here, we have the replacement part there, and we have a couple of tools, mole grips, monkey wrench and a spanner. Now if we have a look underneath, it's a bit tricky and a bit tight, we can see that the actual plastic stem inside the system has a thread you unscrew, and then underneath is a metal thread that screws onto that. So what you need to do is undo both of those using your tools. I put an old towel there to soak up any mess, but the best thing to do is once you've flushed the loo is scoop out the rest of the water as much as you can, and then when you unscrew this this part here, once that's loose you'll be able to catch some of the water underneath in a container. So I'm just going to put this on the tripod so I can show you the rest of the procedure. So we just zoom in there. It's fairly straightforward. It's not really rocket science, but okay. So all I need to do is unscrew this. So I'll unscrew the bottom. I've already unloosened them, so it makes the job easier. So once I've unscrewed them, I can then pull out. Pull it out like so. It's almost there. So if I pull this out, you'll see there's a rubber washer there, and there's a screw thread there. So just remember how it screws on. So we're going to replace that with a new one. So get rid of that one. Here's the replacement one. So the rubber bungs on there, and the screw thread. So what I'm going to do is put that in the hole. I'll just clean up around the hole first. So a nice clean flush fitting for the new washer. So just wipe that like so. Okay, so that's nice and clean now. I'll put the new one in like so, and then the thread we screw up underneath. So I'll start screwing that thread up underneath. At first it looks quite daunting, but once the water supply's turned off, I had problems finding a stopcock for this one. I've had to shut off the mains outside. So if I just tighten that up, so obviously I've got to tighten up with a spanner. So we've got the bit there, and the next bit, obviously you've got to tighten it up and then adjust it all. So we've got a ball and the fitting here. This just fits in quite simply, just clips in. There's a hole there and a little piece that pushes through. You push that through there. The valve works, as the ball lifts, it closes the valve. As the valve opens, the water comes out of here. So, and we've got the ball here which we have to screw on the end, like so. Quite a simple little job at the end of the day. Once you get it all up and running. So I'll just screw that in like so. And there we go. Actually I'll put that on wrong. Try now. There's this plastic fitting here which fits round. just screw it on. So it's all fairly straightforward. I'll say to take that plastic fitting on, just put it on, it'll be a lot easier. So anyway, so you screw the ball on, like so. Once the ball's screwed on, tighten up all the nuts, and you can then put your water supply back on, and obviously then check for leaks. So tighten up all your fittings down here, and then turn on the mains, and hopefully all's in order. So it's quite straightforward. Hope that helps. Bye for now.